In question 4, we've got a right pyramid which has a vertex or tip here V and a rectangular base ABCD with AB 8 centimeters, BC 6 centimeters, and VA 13 centimeters. And we're told that the vertical height of the pyramid is VM here, and that is what we are asked to find in part A. So let's have a look at this. If you imagine, so VM, if that's dropped vertically, we can actually form a right angle. So if you form a right angle here, you've got AM is the base, VM is the height, and AV is the hypotenuse. So what we'd want to do is use Pythagoras to work out the height. But the only way we can work out the height, MV, is if we've also got this length AM. Now at the moment we don't have that, so we can't use Pythagoras. So the question is, how can we find that? Well, if you look at the broader base, ABCD, you can see that actually, although we can't work out AM, we can work out AC, because AC is also a right angle triangle. So AC, there's going to be the right angle. So we can work out AC. So AC squared would be BC squared, which is 6 squared, plus AB squared, which is 8 squared. So that's going to be 36 plus 64, which is 100. So therefore AC is going to be the square root of 100, which is going to be equal to 10. So if AC equals 10 and AC is this whole line here, then obviously AM is just going to be half of that. So AM then is going to be 5. So now if we just kind of take this triangle out here, we've got a base of 5, we've got the hypotenuse which is 13, and then we've got this length here, VM, which is going to represent the height. So we can say that 13 squared equals 5 squared plus 8 squared using Pythagoras. So therefore the height squared is going to be 13 squared, which is 169, minus 5 squared, which is 25. So h squared is 144, so therefore h, the height, is going to equal 12. And we're going to need that in part B to calculate the volume of the period. From the formula booklet, we can see that the volume of a pyramid equals 1/3 times the area times the height. So that's going to be 1/3 times the area. When they talk about the area, they're talking about the area of the base. So here we're looking at the whole area of this square base, which is therefore just going to be base 6 times height 8 centimeters. So that's going to be 1/3 times 6 times 8 times the height, which we've already found down here. So if you multiply that all out, you should end up with 192 centimeters cubed.